What is up, everyone? Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm meeting up with the homies to go on a little canyon run just to start the new year right. So with that being said, let's go meet up with the boys. Let's see how much gas I have. Do we have enough? And okay, got enough gas for today. Let's go. All right, so getting on the freeway, we got to give her one good rip. I just wanted to say that one of my goals for this year is to take YouTube a lot more seriously, or at least be a lot more consistent, because I've told myself in the past years that I would, you know, make more content, be a lot more consistent, and just get my YouTube game up, but I never did. So this year I'm putting myself in check. I told my homies to also put me in check. Ooh, GTI. Okay, do you know me? I think he knows me. Yep, just as I thought, he doesn't know me, so Happy New Year, bro. You gapped the fuck out of me, but clean car. All right, so as I was saying before, I got gapped. I got gap-tized. So yeah, I was saying that, you know, I do want to take YouTube a lot more seriously. I mean, everyone else does that, right? But it's just always been my thing. I like, you know, making content, also providing some, you know, knowledge to the community. So if you guys do like my content, always feel free to let me know. It does also encourage me to make more videos for you guys, so that way I know it's not for nothing. Is that a Type R? I mean a Type A? Oh shit. There's some behind me, sorry. Asian driver, no survivor, guys.
What signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
What's up? Wait, aren't you working, Ray?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're working?
Yeah, I work.
I don't see a whole lot of working, though.
Huh?
I don't see a whole lot of working.
Hey, man. New Year, be nice.
Oh, you're right. I can't start off the new year by being mean. All right, so while we wait for the others, might as well do a air filter change. God dang, bro.
So this is what it's not supposed to be.
Look who showed up.
Oh,
Hold on.
Gabe.
It's Gabe. You got it? Okay.
Gabe's car was always blue?
Yes?
Oh. I thought it was white the whole time.
Oh, no. I think you're thinking of Savannah.
True.
Oh.
What's up, bro? What's up, man?
I like your Evo.
Happy New Year. Nice Evo, really?
There you go.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You're good. Haven't seen you forever.
I know, dude.
What's up, Poppy? What's up, man? I'm sorry, I'm a little dirty.
That was awkward.
He likes it dirty.
Where's the other guy?
Huh? Oh, no. Yeah, we're what? Who?
Bye, see you guys.
Bye, Ray.
I'll try to.
Got my Starbs. Now we head out. Look who showed up. I said, lives 5 minutes away. Takes 30 minutes to get here.
Didn't he just say who's taking a shit?
Yeah, he was.
How fast did he wait?
I don't know, bro.
One
I
swipe
don't
a day.
Hey, guys.
I said
What
no
up?
Jeeps.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hi, guys. Happy New Year. No, I just had an allergic reaction.
Wow, for real?
Yeah. No, we don't have COVID.
Have a nice shit.
Yeah.
Wait, Giselle, what are you doing? What are you doing?
My top off. Y'all want to see a little nipple? Just say that.
Hey, I gotta keep it PG, you know? Oh, that top.
The right top.
We're going all the way to the tree?
Dude, we're going to the peak.
Can I ride with him?
What's the peak? It's going
Excuse
all
me?
the way up.
My car
Bro, you got all-wheel drive right there, bro.
Fucking no.
You got all-wheel
Look at
drive.
this piece of shit, bro. It doesn't even look
Man.
good anymore.
That's a Subaru. Don't talk about it like that, okay?
Yeah, okay.
I missed the Frosty FK7.
True. It was Frosty Hatch, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It was.
You were FK7 Kevin, I think. Yeah, you remember that?
What?
Was I? No.
Yeah, you were. I thought it was always hatched by Kev, sir.
No,
No, at first
It
it
was-
was different.
It was.
I remember him as Kevin a Pipong.
I told him I was
And then
like,
it changed. Yeah, bro.
I told him I was like, I remember you when you weren't shit.
I'm still not shit. Aw, hell.
But everywhere we go, people be recognizing you.
Fuck
Hey,
no.
he ain't shit, but he's the one with the camera right now,
Kevin?
right?
I am.
So I'll let you know what you YouTube. It's a big inspiration to me, man.
No, you remember when we used to meet up at the? Do you remember that at the fucking Walmart parking lot?
Walmart.
Oh
first
yeah.
time I met yourself.
Remember the freaking Mondo meets?
Oh yeah.
And he doesn't have his Type R at the moment, but soon he'll have it back.
You don't have your Type R?
Huh?
Oh, it's in the shop, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Go fast parts.
That K-tuner shit will break your car, I guess.
Yo.
Hey man, we keep things positive on this channel, okay? But yeah, like I was saying, we all met because of our cars. He had a white hatch before. He missed it at all? Don't you freaking lie to me.
No.
And then he also had a white hatch as well, and now he has the
I
Type
went
R.
through the whole 10th gen lineup.
For real, huh?
EX, SI,
Bro, your
Type
SI.
R.
What the fuck? Your big break hit, bro.
Sorry, Supra coming in the next
no,
5
remember
years.
all-
Manifesting that,
Carbon, yeah.
manifesting.
Carbon
ST1.
I'm excited though. I mean, hopefully, eventually in the future, we'll be in the
You
spot
don't
where
put
we
the
can
hood
get,
spacers?
get real
Huh?
power.
You don't have to put no hood spacers?
That's the worst mod anyone can do, by the way.
You're gonna offend a lot of people, man.
I am.
R6.
I like your hood,
If I had that money, I'm getting an NSX.
Okay, NSX are like fucking hundreds of thousands of dollars.
What? No, not the new
You get an old
Boom.
one? Why you want an old one?
What do you mean? It's like saying, why do you want an RX-7?
Why do you want an RE7?
Because it's an RX-7.
But nobody has those. Nobody drives them. You
That's
know why?
exactly what I want
Because
one.
they're unreliable.
Okay, I'm not going to
Change
drive it
my
all the
mind.
time.
Well, what's the point then?
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to get an NSX.
So you're gonna daily the NSX?
I'm not.
So what are you
the Type
driving?
R is going to be the daily in that
Okay.
case. Oh, wait, no, I'm still going to have the agent, I think.
Oh my gosh, man has a
Boost
gonna have
it.
a freaking auction yard.
I'm going to
For
have
real.
a whole a fleet of Hondas.
You're gonna have to buy a space over there just to fucking have your cars. You guys ready?
Hey Kim, he's gonna get another Honda.
Ew.
First of all,
Not a sixth one.
We can sell the Subaru since it's
It's what? You're a fucking hater.
Carbon. Man, bro, you're making me go first?
You talk too much.
Hey. So we're just getting in our cars and we'll start leaving.
Wait, what did you say?
No, I know it's fucking fast, bro.
Oh, no, but no, it's more than just fast. I'm going to let you drive it, and then you'll be like, yeah, I'm going to get a Type R.
True.
Maybe. Hey, you want me to go with you or you want me to go with
No,
them?
run over you since I'm not laughing.
Go with me. I'm gonna freaking record more this year. So I know, yeah, you're one of the real ones and you keep me on check, alright?
We'll
Alright?
see. We'll see if it goes past January.
Fuck. So much for having freaking faith in me.
That's what I'm saying. I'm already telling you.
Oh.
What up, Miha? That shit, how do you focus this?
It is focus training.
Oh.
You wanna go in front?
What's up?
You wanna go in front? Why not? Man. Is my shit loud?
It's really loud.
It must be nice having. Ah, fuck. God damn it.
Quick interruption. So this canyon run ended up being a total fail. There was so much traffic and so many people walking on the sides that we don't want to drive fast and be reckless because safety is priority. So this vlog is more of a cruise to the top and just having a good day with my friends. But if you guys love canyon runs and want to see more driving footage, let me know in the comments so I can go on a day where it's not busy. How's the drive? What's up? How's the drive?
Cold.
It is a little cold.
It's really chilly. It's honestly really active though. There's a lot of people here.
Hell yeah, it's popping.
Did you guys see the snow?
Yeah, but I don't think we'll go up that far though.
Clearly I didn't come dressed correctly.
Yeah. Okay. You good to go? I was like, why are you flashing us, bro?
Oh, God.
Okay, well now I know. All right, let's go. All right, so we finally got away from traffic. Just pulled off right now, just chill. Have everyone catch up.
You do a photo shoot for yourself or what? Oh, you know what you should do, Giselle? You should climb it on top and be like 3 wheels. Climb it on top of the mound.
What falls over?
And just go over.
I have my camera, I owe you.
Let's go over there.
That's what I told
That's
you.
what he just said.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You're too late.
I'm cold.
That's crazy, I'm not.
It's heavy.
You forgot your camera?
You know what you are though? Ugly.
Oh, you do? Okay.
I only have one battery though, so.
I have an extra battery. Little BTS.
Bugging me, sir.
I'm sorry.
I'm
I'm sorry.
kidding.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm bugging you now, bro. Yeah, I'm down to go all the way up the top. I haven't been there in a while.
You guys fucking zoom.
Kevin.
No, all you guys out of nowhere.
Kevin drives on the freeway. I don't want to shoot myself.
Yeah, that's why I'm just kind of taking it chill.
Yeah. The roads are definitely crappier.
Uh-huh. No quema good. It is freaking chilly though.
That sure is.
I was just about to tell you, if only I could pop right now and scare him.
Okay, I gotta go inside.
I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty cold up here. You can't feel your feet. You can't feel your fingertips, huh?
Hell no.
What you got?
You know, mediocre shots.
Mediocre. Get out of here, bro. Don't be modest.
I would never guess that guy had a Hellcat unless he had a big ass Hellcat sticker on the side, which he did.
Oh, what the f...
Uh-oh.
Well, I wonder if that's Hellcat.
I think so. I think it was the Hellcat. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed that little quick cannon run today. Freaking freezing, but well worth it.
The vlog is just starting.
Just starting,
keep
man.
it going.
Man, I'm freezing, dude. I'm gonna end it here before I don't feel my fingers no more. Alright, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Peace. Roll out.